School is the basic and primary workplace to all the students present in this world. What happens if schools get closed due to this pandemic? First thing is, studies get affected due to the no teaching situation. And by introducing the teaching system through the popular social media platforms, we as a parent or teacher, we lead them to get involved in social media platforms. And that actually makes the students' mindset to not to concentrate in their studies. And another thing is, not all the remote schools can access the online teaching platforms. Like these, problems can be more, but there can be a one and only solutions for multiple problems. So as a developing programming community in the matured world, we are introducing a great solution to the current students, that is City's Smart School System. You all might have a question that, who are we? I mean, who is the ones created this web page? So, here is the answer for your question. I'm currently running a freelancing company called Tamila Software Solutions. We have done the cloning of most of the complex sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. Also, we have built some needed platform for today's world, and they are online shopping site, photography site, portfolio site, management site, softwares, and etc. And I'm saying this as our main mission. We will rise up a programming community with excellent programmers who are low with their financial side. So here is the interesting part of this video. Now I'm gonna explain you about the futuristic site that we made. First of all, this website is an alternative for paid online study platforms. It will replace the current online platforms for sure. Another important thing is we can conduct the 8 periods with no interference with this site. It might so useful for our schools. And the next thing is we are providing this site completely free for remote areas too. And here are the main feature of this web page. We can manage each and every type of academic sided users in this website. They are vice principals, sectional head, class teachers, and the students. Also, we have enabled a chatting place between students and the class teacher, which will be able to stop the use of all the other social media platforms. And there are some more advantages we can receive through the amazing website. For examples, the relevant teachers can schedule their class timings. Teachers can update the today's timetable daily. Then we have designed a big special premise to the head of the school. Principals can access each and every pages and features very easily. To say more about this website, it's extremely secure site. None of the intermediate black-hatted hackers could break this website and get in. And finally, it's fully responsive site which is compatible with all smart devices like smartphones, smart TVs, laptops. No need of having high-tech devices. A basic and a simple smartphone is enough to run this page. And so sad to say that we have reached the end of this clip. Again, I am repeating the statement. We can and we will rise up a programming community with excellent programmers who are low with their financial side. We will meet you again with a great project. Until then, I am Tasandan from Code Tamila Software Solutions, signing off from you guys.